Hey everyone, welcome back to English Sensei. I'm Emily.
And I'm Jack. We're really glad you're here with us today.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English through real conversations like this, please like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And let's begin. Jack, today I want to talk about something very human, something we don't always talk about. Hard moments, painful moments, the kind that stay in your heart.
Yeah, the moments that change you, sometimes in a bad way, sometimes in a good way.
Exactly. You know, I was thinking about how two people can see the same moment, but feel something totally different.
Oh, that's true. Same situation, different feeling, different story.
Let me give a simple example. Imagine two kids. Same house, same problem. No money, no food. One kid feels shame, the other feels hope.
Hmm. And that difference, it changes their whole life.
Yes, because life is not only about what happens, it's about what you tell yourself about what happens.
The story in your head.
The story. One story says, I'm weak, I'm unlucky. Another story says, someone cares, I can grow.
Wow. Same day, two different futures.
I think many English learners feel this too. You make a mistake when you speak. One person thinks, I'm bad at English. Another thinks, okay, I'm learning.
Oh, that's a good example. Same mistake, different meaning.
And the meaning creates the feeling. The feeling creates the action.
Yeah, if you feel small, you stop trying. If you feel hopeful, you keep going.
I remember a time when I felt really stuck. I was working hard, but nothing was changing. Every day felt heavy.
What did you tell yourself?
At first, I said, this is useless. And I felt tired, angry. But one day, I changed the story. I said, this is training. This is making me stronger.
Oh, same work, new meaning.
And slowly, my energy changed. Not overnight, but little by little.
That's important. People think change is fast, but usually it's quiet, slow, small steps.
Yes, and sometimes the biggest change starts on a very bad day.
I believe that. Some of the kindest people I know went through very hard things.
Because they understand pain. And when you understand pain, you don't want others to suffer.
You want to help, even in small ways.
Like holding a door, sending a message, listening.
Or sharing food.
Yes, and helping doesn't need money. Sometimes it's just kindness.
Emily, do you think pain always makes people better?
Hmm, no, not always. Pain can also make people closed, angry, cold.
So, what's the difference?
The meaning again. And one more thing, choice.
Choice?
Yes, even when life is hard, we still choose. We choose what we focus on. We choose the story. And we choose what we do next.
Oh, that's powerful.
For example, when something bad happens, you can ask one simple question. What can I do now?
Not why me, but what now?
Exactly. What now moves you forward?
I like that because it gives you control again.
Yes, even a small control, even one step.
Like learning one new English word today.
Oh, perfect example. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to continue.
And sometimes continuing is hard.
Very hard. Some days just getting out of bed is a win.
And that's okay.
Yes, we don't need to be strong every day. We just need to be honest
Honest with ourselves.
and kind to ourselves.
Emily, can I ask you something?
Of course,
Why do you think helping others feels so good, even when we're tired?
because when we help, we forget ourselves for a moment.
Oh, that's true.
When you're only thinking about your problems, your world feels small. But when you help someone else, your world gets bigger.
Bigger heart? bigger life.
Yes, and that's why many people find meaning in helping. Not happiness every second, but meaning.
Happiness goes up and down. Meaning stays.
Exactly.
So maybe the goal is not to avoid pain, but to use it.
Oh, yes. Use it. Learn from it. Let it shape you, not break you.
That sounds deep, but also very real.
Because it is real. Every listener right now has a story, a hard moment, a challenge.
And if you're listening and life feels heavy, you're not weak. You're human.
And maybe one day, the thing that hurt you will help someone else.
That's a beautiful thought.
And we'll continue this idea in a moment. Because there's another part to this how stress can actually make you stronger. Because stress is something we all feel. Every human. No escape.
Yeah, stress doesn't ask for permission. It just shows up.
Sometimes at the worst time.
Like when you already feel tired, or confused, or unsure about the future.
Exactly. And many people think stress is always bad.
But is it?
Not always. Stress can break you, or it can train you.
Oh, like a muscle.
Yes, that's a great way to say it. When you lift weights, your muscles feel pain, but they grow.
So stress is like emotional weight.
Emotional weight, mental weight, life weight.
That sounds heavy already.
It is. But here's the key too much weight breaks you, too little weight makes you weak.
Balance.
Balance and direction.
Direction?
Yes, stress without meaning feels terrible. Stress with meaning feels different.
Oh, like studying late for an exam you care about versus working late for something you hate.
Exactly. Same stress, different feeling.
So meaning changes stress.
Yes, meaning turns stress into fuel.
That explains a lot. Some people are tired but alive. Others are tired and empty.
Mm-hmm. Because one person feels connected to something bigger.
Bigger than themselves?
Yes, helping someone, building something, learning, creating.
Or teaching English on YouTube.
Exactly.
You know, I've noticed something. When I only think about myself, my problems feel huge.
Me too.
But when I help someone else, even a little, my problems feel lighter.
Because your mind leaves the mirror.
The mirror?
Yes. When you only look at yourself, everything feels big. When you look outward, life feels wider.
Oh, I like that.
This is very important for language learners, too.
How?
Many learners think, how do I sound? Am I wrong? Am I bad?
Always looking in the mirror.
Yes, but real communication is about the other person. Do they understand me?
Oh, that changes everything.
When you focus on helping the listener understand, fear goes down.
That's such a good tip.
You don't speak English to be perfect. You speak English to connect.
And connection gives meaning.
Yes.
Emily, what about people who feel completely lost? No direction, no meaning.
That happens to many people, especially today.
Yeah, with phones, social media, endless scrolling.
So much information, very little direction.
What helps?
Small learning. Not everything, just something.
Something like what?
15 minutes a day. One small habit. Reading, listening, practicing.
Like this podcast.
Yes, exactly like this.
Small learning feels possible.
That's why it works. Big plans scare people. Small steps invite people.
Invite, not push.
Yes, no pressure, just progress.
And over time, small steps become big change.
Oh, you're learning fast today.
I'm trying.
Another thing that helps with stress is understanding seasons.
Seasons.
Yes, like spring, summer, fall, winter.
In life?
In life, some seasons are for growing, some are for testing, some are for enjoying, some are for resting.
And some are just hard.
Yes, and many people feel bad because they think hard seasons mean failure.
But it doesn't.
No, it means you're in a different season.
That's comforting.
Very. If today feels heavy, maybe you're in a training season.
Not a punishment season.
Exactly.
So instead of asking, what's wrong with me, we ask,
What is this season teaching me?
oh.
That question brings peace.
Emily, can we talk about identity for a moment?
Sure,
Many people feel lost when they lose a job or fail at something.
because they think, this is who I am.
Job equals identity.
Yes, but you are more than one role.
More than one label.
You are a learner, a friend, a human being.
And roles change.
But your value doesn't,
Oh, that's important.
especially in a fast-changing world.
So what stays strong when everything changes?
Your ability to learn.
Learning keeps you flexible.
And flexibility keeps you alive.
This is starting to sound like life advice, not just English.
English Sensei is about language and life.
True.
And if you're listening right now and feeling stressed, here's one small thing you can do today.
What's that?
Learn one thing. Just one. A word, a sentence, an idea.
And then stop.
Yes, stop. Let it sink in.
No pressure to be perfect.
Just progress.
Emily, I feel calmer already,
Me too.
and I hope our listeners do as well.
Before we finish, let's wrap this up gently. Today we talked about hard moments, stress, meaning, and small steps,
We talked about changing the story, not the past.
and using difficult seasons to grow.
Not to give up.
Remember, you don't need to be perfect to move forward. You just need to continue.
And you're not alone. We're learning together.
Before you go, here's a question for you.
We'd love to hear your answer.
What helps you feel calm and confident when you speak English?
Tell us in the comments.
And we'll see you next time, here on English Sensei.